In previous session, we had discussed the limits of focal length of eye lens. The maximum focal length of eye lens is 2.5 centimeters. The minimum focal length of eye lens is 2.27 centimeters. For different object distances, to keep the image distance, the eye lens adjusts its focal length between 2.5 centimeter to 2.27 centimeter. The ability of eye lens to change or adjust its focal length is called accommodation. Now we may raise one question. What happens if the eye lens is not able to adjust its focal length? The vision becomes blurred due to accommodation defects of eye lens. This is called defect of vision. There are three types of defects of vision. Those are number 1 myopia, number 2 hypermetropia, number 3 presbyopia. Let us learn about myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness or short sight. First definition of myopia: some people can see near objects clearly but cannot see distant object. This type of defect of vision is called myopia. For these persons, the maximum focal length of eye lens is less than 2.5 centimeter. That means the image of distant object, form before retina. It can be understood by these two diagrams. A healthy person can see objects at all distances more than 25 centimeter, but the person suffering with myopia can see the objects up to a certain distance, say D, or up to a certain point, say M, and this extreme point is called far point, denoted by M. Let us define what is far point. The point of maximum distance at which eye lens can form image on retina is called far point. If the object is at far point or between M and L, M far point, L is least distance of distinct vision, the person with myopia can see the image clearly, can see the object clearly because the image form on retina. So based on far point, we can also define myopia, the defect in which the person cannot see objects beyond far point is called myopia. To correct this myopia, we use biconcave lens. So this is biconcave lens. Biconcave lens forms the image at M of distant object. This image acts as object to the eye lens, and finally the image formed on retina. Eye lens forms the final image on retina so that the person with myopia can see the object clearly. Let us find the focal length of concave lens, which we use here to correct the myopia. Here the object is at long distance, so the object distance u equals to minus infinity. The image formed by concave lens is at M, say the distance is d, so the image distance is minus d. Substitute this u value, v value in lens formula, that is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Therefore 1 by f equals to 1 by minus d with minus 1 by minus infinity. Something by infinity equals to 0, therefore f is equals to minus d. So this is the focal length of concave lens which we use here. Negative sign indicates concave lens. Thank you.